Special Shalots Tamarind Recipe, usually served along with rice only. Just need 20 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. When it starts spluttering, add 1/4 teaspoon Fenugreek Seeds. Then add some curry leaves and stir it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, add 250 grams or 1.5 cup of sliced shallots, 1 chopped green chili, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 6 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden brown color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Add 1.5 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, half tablespoon Coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida Powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now we can add 2 cups of tamarind dissolved hot water. We have dissolved half lemon sized tamarind in 2 cups of water and filtered. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 3 minutes. For a special taste, add 1.5 teaspoon crushed jaggery and mix it well. Cook for a minute. Now switch off the flame. Our special Shalots Tamarind recipe is ready. Usually served along with rice only.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.